Make it happen.
Okay, we're doing section 4-2. This is another part of section 4-2. Okay, what they're going to do is they're going to give you an equation, and they're going to ask you to put it in vertex form. Now let's say they gave you that. And they said, write it in vertex form. Well, what do you think you're going to need if you have to put it in vertex form?
You're going to need a graph.
You're going to need the what? Bravo does not have slope. What are you going to need?
Who said that? The vertex.
The vertex. Vertex form. You need the vertex. Okay, so we're going to find the vertex. You can take the opposite of B divided by 2A. What's my A and what's my B?
Okay, your B is, can't even answer the question because people think this one answer.
Okay, A is -1, that's in front of your x squared. B is 4, which is in front of your x. So you're taking the opposite of your B divided by 2 times your A. That's going to give us what? 2. So the x value of my vertex is 2. So now I got to find the y value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute that in for y. So I know my x is 2. So I want the opposite of 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 5. What's that going to give you? This means you do your powers first and then you take the opposite.
I think it's y equals -1.
Well, if your vertex is -1, then this is your vertex form. You're going to plug your vertex in for H and K. And let's think about this. Your A, which is -1, tells you whether it opens up or down. Opens down. Tells you whether you have a vertical stretch, vertical compression, or neither. So will A change from one form to another?
Yes. No.
No. It's going to be the same A. So your A is going to stay the same. So when we plug our values in, you're going to keep the same A. So that's going to be a -1 out front. You can put the 1 if you want, but otherwise you can just write the negative. And then you're going to go x minus 2. So this is your H and this is your K. And then squared minus 1. That's vertex form.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to give you one to try.
Oh.
So the one you're going to do is y equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. I want you to put that in vertex form. So you guys should have got A is 2. B is -3.
Oh my.
So let's quit the talking, people. So you're doing x equals the opposite of b over 2a. Opposite of -3 should be 3 on top. Over 2 times 2. So you should be getting 3/4. Everybody getting 3/4 for x. So now we're going to go 2 times 3/4 squared minus 3 times 3/4 plus 2. What's 3/4 squared? So 2 times 9, 16. Minus, what's 3 over 1 times 3 over 4?
9/4.
So,
Wait, it should be 9/8.
No, it should.
No,
it shouldn't be.
No,
I did. No.
Times by 2.
Yeah, that's not good.
we're plugging in 3/4 in here. So then, let's switch this to 8. We have 9/8. So that 2 divides into your 16. Then you have, now do you guys want to switch these to 8 too?
Yeah. Find the common denominator.
So how many 8s would that be? 18/8. How many eighths is this?
Well, that'd be 16.
So what's 9 minus 18?
9.
So negative 9/8 plus 16/8.
Which is B and then
7 and 8.
7/8. So my vertex
Oh.
is 3/4.
We didn't do
7/8.
Yeah, that's our.
So now let's plug it in our formula. So does the A value change?
No.
What's my A?
2.
Okay, right there. A is 2. Then you have x minus 3/4 quantity squared
Plus
plus
7/8.
7/8. How many got it right? Okay. Why are we not getting it right? We don't know how to
That's
work
kinda
a
weird.
fraction? Somebody, another period said, could you take this and make that negative 2 1/4? What's negative 2 1/4 plus 2?
4.
A fourth? Negative a fourth? So then I would have had 9/8 minus a fourth. That might have been easier. So you could take the 4 to 2/8. And then have what's 9/8 minus 2/8. 7/8. That would be another way to find that. Okay, so now we're going to, what's that? You're putting your vertex in for H and K. I put in this. You're putting your vertex in for H and K, and then you're putting your A value in for B. That's how you're going to do that. Okay.
How much room to, get ready to fight a school of sharks.
Okay, so let's look at, they're talking about a bridge. So they have this bridge that's passing over, and they have an archway. This is a bridge. Here's my bridge going across here. This is the arch of the bridge. And then going down here is your water. And they tell you that this is 516 feet right here. Now, this is what the question asks. And they give you this equation. We're going to write the equation. Y equals negative 0.000498 x squared plus 0.847 x. That's your equation.
Okay. Holy jap.
That's describing the prep.
That's an umbrella.
That's describing the arch.
Palm tree. Point. Oh.
516 feet.
So what you guys are going to do, they're asking you this. They're asking you, how long is this bridge from here to here? And they're also asking you, how far is the top of the arch to the water? So to answer that question, we need to find the vertex. So when we find the vertex, we're going to go opposite of B over to A. Your A is this part right here. Your B is that right there. So we're going to do opposite of B over 2A. Opposite of 0.847 over 2 times negative 0.000498. Now, we can use a calculator. What do you agree that you're going to be negative on top and a negative on top? A negative divided by a negative will be a plus. If you take 2 times this, you're going to get 0.000. We're going to take 2 times 498. And 498 is 2 less than 500, right? So 2 times 500 is 1,000. So what would this be? It's 2 less. So it'd be 4 less when you take it times 2. So it's going to be 996.
996.
Now we're going to divide that. 0.847 divided by 6.00099.
I'm not getting that, like.
It's negative. It's a negative.
No, it's not.
It's a positive.
Okay, that's a negative and that's a negative.
Yeah.
So a negative and a negative is gonna be a positive.
We did that.
Okay?
Nothing, no.
Now that's gonna round,
That's like 4 months.
we're not gonna keep carrying it out. We're gonna say it's about 850 feet. Well, good to talking. So that means my X is about 850 feet. Now I'm going to find my Y. Find my Y, I'm going to plug it in my equation. I'm going to show you an easy way to do this on your calculator. If you don't know how to do it. Instead of rounding to 850, which we're going to think 850, this is how you can do it on the calculator. So, how many have 850.4 something on the calculator right now?
Right. Yeah.
You guys already have that on the calculator?
0.402.
If you do, you can hit store. And then you got to tell where to store. So I'm going to go alpha A. See that green A right there?
Yeah.
We're going to go alpha A. Then we're going to hit enter. So I'm going to go store, alpha A, hit enter. Right here.
Is it the STO?
Stores in one.
Okay, so then
This is what I done.
when you hit enter, it should say answer, arrow A, and then 850.40 and so on. So
Oh, yeah.
to keep that, every time we want that number now, we're going to go alpha A. So you guys are going to enter on your calculator negative 0.000498 times alpha A squared. Alpha A squared is right here. And you're going to go plus 0.847 times alpha A. You should get approximately 360. We're going to round it. How many are getting 360 point something? A little over 360.
Yeah, 360.
Okay, so that's this point right here. I'm going to call it 850 is my X. 360 is my Y. Okay, everybody be quiet, I said. Can you guys be quiet?
Oh. Oh, shut up.
He was just trying to help someone now.
This is how you're going to answer the question.
That's annoying.
We want to know how long this is from here to here. Well, this vertex for this parabola is going over 850 and up 360, then that's 850 from there to there. Then what would it be from here to here?
That'd be 850.
So what's the total distance of the bridge?
1,700.
1,700 feet is the length of your bridge. Then, if it's going from the bridge to the top of the arch, it's 360 feet.
Yes.
And from the water to the bottom of the bridge,
516.
516.
Which
So
would
how
be
much distance will there be from the
876.
top of there to there?
876.
So you're taking 516 and adding 360. That'll tell you that answer. So when you guys are doing these problems, you're going to use the vertex of your whatever parabola you're talking about. So you're looking for the vertex. The vertex is going to help you